So hi everyone, how are you all? So my name is Ishesh Paul and welcome to my channel Maths Pirates. So previously we have discussed the half angle formulas for sine, cos as well as tan, and we have discussed another form of area of triangle. That is, suppose this is triangle ABC whose sides are A and B and C. Suppose we have not given any angle. Of course, we can find using the cosine rule. We can find these three angles also using as given these three sides. Basically, we know that area is nothing but half A B sine C. To use this formula, we need to know the sides AB and its included angle AB sine C. Right? So for using this formula, we need to be provided two sides and one included angle. Two sides AB and its included angle C, as well as half BC sine A, BC and included angle half BC sine A. Similarly, half AC sine B, half AC sine B, AC and its included angles B. Okay, for using this formula to find the area of triangle, we should be provided two sides and an included angle. Suppose we have not given any other angle. Suppose for a triangle we have provided two sides. We have provided three sides and asked to find the area of triangle. So what we can do, either we can use cosine rule. By using this cosine rule, either we can find angle A or angle B or angle C, and we can use this formula. We can use this formula. In terms of A, we will get cos A value. We can change it in terms of sin A. Similarly, cos B, cos C, changing in terms of sin and solving using this formula. That will be the another method. And the other way is that we have already discussed in the previous video, using cosine rule. And cosine rule, this is the first method for finding area of triangle, that is using these formulas and using cosine rule to find any other angle. And the second method is method 2. And the second method is given three sides. This second method we have already discussed in the previous video. Area is nothing but root S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula we are going to use. This one formula is enough to find the area of triangle. In first method, we have used the two formulas, that is area of triangle half AB sin C and cosine rule for finding cos C and changing in terms of sin C. Okay, for this single formula is enough, where S is the semi perimeter, that is half of the perimeter. Right? Using this one formula is enough. Okay. Previously, we have discussed the three principles. From the three principles, we have derived cosine rules. Let me recap those three principles. A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B is equal to A cos C plus C cos A. C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Okay, these are the three principles that we have discussed in previous videos, and I have derived it using the basic geometrical concepts and using trigonometry. In this video, the same formulas I am going to use. I am going to prove these three principles using sine rule. Here it is the another way of proving these three principles. The first way is have discussed in the previous video. You can check it out in the playlist. And the second method I am going to discuss in this video. Okay. So first principle, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Okay, this is our first principle. What I am going to do in triangle ABC, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. You have discussed in your lower classes. Sum of angles in a triangle is nothing but 180. What I am going to do? I am going to take B plus C as 180 degrees minus A. Right? What I am going to? I am going to apply sine. Sine of B plus C is equal to sine of 180 minus A. What we are going to get? Sine of B plus C is nothing but sine A. Understood? Sine of B plus C is equal to sine A. I am going to expand this form. Sine B cos C plus sine C cos B is nothing but sine A. Here we have sine. As per sine rule, we can see that A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. Basically, in equating the ratios, A by B is equal to C by D. What we can see here? A is to B is equal to C is to D. As well as this can be written as A by C is equal to B by D. It's nothing but A is to C is equal to B is to D. Right? A by B is equal to C by D. A is to B is equal to C is to D. As well as this can be written as A by C is equal to B by D. A is to C is equal to B is to D. Okay? Now, similarly, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. So, A is to B is to C can be written as sin A is to sin B is to sin C. Okay? As well as what angle? Let me take these three are equal, right? Let me consider it is equal to something constant K. From this, equating these two ratios, we are going to get sin A is nothing but A by K. Sin B is equal to B by K. Sin C is equal to C by K. So A by sin A is equal to K. Sin A is equal to A by K. B by sin B is equal to K. Sin B is equal to B by K. C by sin C is equal to K. Sin C is equal to C by K. Okay. What I am going to do? I am going to substitute these three in this equation. Sin B is nothing but B by K. B cos. Let me erase this part. Sin B. Sin B is nothing but B by K. B by K into cos C. Plus sin C. Sin C is nothing but C by K into cos B is equal to sin A. Sin C is nothing but C. Sin A is nothing but A by K. A by K. What I am going to do? I am going to cancel K. So B cos C plus C cos B is going to be A. See, this is the second method, second way of proving the first identity. Similarly, I am going to erase this part. Okay. Angle sum property. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And what I am going to do, previously, before this one I have considered B plus C as 180 minus A. But now what I am going to consider is A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Put again sign on both sides. Expand this, sin A cos B plus sin B cos A is nothing but sin C. Previously I have written here three forms. Sin A is nothing but A by K, sin B is equal to B by K, sin C is nothing but C by K. If you want, you can rewind the video and you can check it. Sin A is nothing but A by K into cos B plus B by K into cos A is equal to C by K. What I am going to do? I am going to cancel this constant K. Then we are going to get A cos B plus B cos A is equal to C. See, we have proven the another principle also. Similarly, first we have to B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Now A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Next A plus C. Next A plus C is equal to 180 minus B. Take sign on both sides. We are going to get sin of A plus B is equal to sin B. Expand it and apply sin A by K, sin B by K, sin C by K. We are going to get another principle. Putting sign on both sides, sin A plus C is nothing but sin B. I am writing directly sin 180 minus B is nothing but sin B. Okay. The same method, sin A cos C. Let me erase this part. Sin A cos C plus sin C cos A is nothing but sin B. Sin A is nothing but A by K cos C plus sin C is nothing but C by K cos A is nothing but B by K. B gets cancelled. A cos C plus C cos A is nothing but B. This is how we can prove the three principles in second method. This is the second method. Okay. This concept angle, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. It's a concept of lower class. So this is the another new thing that proving the principles as well as not only these principles, any formula in multiple methods. I'll try to cover as many methods as possible to prove and to make you understand the same concept very clearly. Okay. Here this is the second method that we have discussed. Again the same concept but in another way. Already I have discussed this concept in our previous video and I have proved it, and using those principles I have proved the cosine rules also. You can check my previous videos. And this is the another way of proving those three principles. A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B is equal to A cos C plus C cos B. C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Okay. So next we are going to discuss theorem. Here the first theorem is tan b minus c by 2 is nothing but b minus c by b plus c cot a by 2, and tan a minus b by 2 is equal to a minus b by a plus b cot c by 2, and tan c a minus c by 2 is equal to a minus c by a plus c cot b by 2. This is the theorem. Just if you try to remember one of these formulas, remembering these two will be easy. As well as these follow a perfect format. Tan a minus b by 2, a minus b by a plus b, cot a, b and over remaining is c by 2. Okay. What I am going to do, I am going to prove one of these formulas so that you can understand how to prove the same other two formulas. Okay, first of all I am going to take this. I am going to prove this formula, and I suggest you to prove these two formulas using the same method that I am explaining now. Okay. Tan b minus c by 2 is nothing but tan b by 2 minus tan c by 2 by 1 plus tan b by 2 tan c by 2. Okay. Tan b minus c by 2, b by 2 minus c by 2. Tan a minus b formula, tan b by 2 minus tan c by 2 by 1 plus tan b by 2 tan c by 2. In previous video, I have proven the tan of half angle formulas. As per, you can check my previous video. Before this video, I have proven these formulas. Tan b by 2 is nothing but root s minus a into s minus c by s of s minus b minus root s minus a into s minus b by s of s minus c by 1 plus root s minus a into s minus b by s of s minus b into root s minus a into s minus b by s of s minus c. Okay. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, half angle formula. I have directly substituted in this equation. So what I am going to do? Here s minus a by s minus a by s. Let me take it common. Root s minus a by s into root s minus c by s minus b minus root s minus b by s minus c by 1 plus. So what here we are going to do? S minus c into s minus c. S minus c gets cancelled. S minus b gets cancelled. Root s minus a by s into root s minus a by s. What we are going to get? S minus a by s. Okay. Let me, for further simplification, let me erase this part. Root s minus a by s into taking LCM S minus C minus of S minus B. So we are going to get B minus C by root S minus B into S minus C by so 2S minus A. 2S minus A by S. 2S is nothing but S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. Semi-perimeter. Half of the perimeter of the triangle. So 2S minus A is nothing but B plus C. Right? 2S minus A is nothing but B plus C. So simply taking LCM 2S minus A. 2S minus A can be written as B plus C. Take B minus C, B plus C. B minus C by B plus C into root S of S minus A by S minus B into S minus C. We have separated B minus C by B plus C, right? So what we have got root S minus A by S into this part and this part. Simplifying these three parts, we are going to get S minus A, S of S minus A by S minus B into S minus C. So this form, what we can understand by seeing this form, it's nothing but it's representing a half angle for cot A by 2. This whole term can be written as cot A by 2. It's nothing but B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. Hence, we have proved tan B minus C by 2 on for simplification. Tan B minus C by 2 using A minus B formula. We have substituted half angle formula and further simplifying we have got this term. This term represents a formula for cot A by 2. Okay, then B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. This is how we can prove this formula. Tan B minus C by 2 is nothing but B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. Similarly, we can prove for tan A minus B by 2, tan A minus C by 2. I am leaving it to you. Same you can prove. Use A minus B by 2, tan A by 2 minus tan B by 2 by 1 plus tan A by 2, tan B by 2. Apply the formula. You will get further simplification. Then you will get A minus B by A plus B into something, which is nothing but cot C by 2. Okay, similarly we can prove for A minus C by 2 as well as C minus A by 2. Hence proved that tan A minus tan B minus C by 2 is nothing but B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. So this is the first method. Let's discuss the same formula in another method. So what I am going to do, let me consider B minus tan B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. Okay. What I am going to, let me consider B minus C by B plus C. Let me write here sign rule. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Previously, in proving the three principles, what we have considered, as this ratio is constant, let me put a constant quantity K. A by sin A is equal to K. Here what we are going to write, A is equal to K into sin A. B by sin B is equal to K. What we are going to write, B is equal to K into sin B. C by sin C is equal to K. What we can write, C is equal to K into sin these values in this equation, in this form, what we are going to get? B minus C, K into sin B minus K into sin C by K into sin B plus K into sin C. Here K gets cancelled. Now I am going to erase this part. So finally, B minus C by B plus C is nothing but sin B minus sin C by sin B plus sin C. Sin B minus sin C. Applying the identity for sin B minus sin C, we are going to get 2 sin B minus C by 2 cos B plus C by 2 by sin B plus sin C. 2 sin B plus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2. Okay, here 2 gets cancelled. Sin B minus C by 2 by cos B minus C by 2. Sin B minus C by 2 by cos B minus C by 2. What I am going to get? Tan B minus C by 2 by what I am going to get? I am going to take this cos under denominator, or not, or else we can write tan B minus C by 2 cos B plus C by 2 by sin B plus C by 2. It's nothing but cot B plus C by 2. Okay, it means B minus C by B plus C is equal to tan B minus C by 2 into cot B plus C by 2. Let me erase this part for further simplification. Tan B minus C by 2 is nothing but B minus C by B plus C. Cot B plus C by 2 taking this side is nothing but tan B plus C by 2. By angle sum property, for sum of angles in a triangle is nothing but 180 degrees, right? B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. So what I am going to do? I am going to make it half. B plus C by 2 is nothing but 90 minus A by 2. B plus C by 2 is nothing but 90 minus A by 2. So what I am going to do? I am going to consider this part, tan B plus C by 2. Tan B plus C by 2. B plus C by 2 is nothing but 90 minus A by 2. Tan 90 minus A by 2. Tan B plus C by 2 is nothing but cot A by 2. Instead of writing tan B plus C by 2, as we have B plus C by 2 is nothing but 90 minus A by 2. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, 90 minus A by 2, cot A by 2, right? Tan B plus C by 2 is nothing but cot A by 2. So instead of writing tan B plus C by 2, we can simply write as cot A by 2. So instead of writing tan B plus C by 2, let me remove it and write it as cot A by 2. See the same formula we got here. This is the second method. The first method using tan A minus B formula. And this is another method considering sine rule. Okay. In this way, not only this, not only these things, in mathematics, in many formulas can be proved in many different methods. And suppose let me consider two formulas. Using the first formula, I can prove the second one, and this second one can be, and using the second one, we can prove the first formula. This both are in mathematics. It's an interlinking concepts. Many concepts are interlinked to each other. If we understand this interlink, understanding mathematics will be very easy. Okay, this is how I linked. Suppose let me consider this formula: tan b minus c by 2 is nothing but b minus c by b plus c cot a by 2. In first method, what I have done, I have took tan b minus c by 2 directly and simplified tan b by 2 minus tan c by 2. I have used tan a minus b formula. So I have applied, and after that I have applied half angle formulas. Tan b by 2 is nothing but root s minus c into s minus c by s of s minus b. I have applied direct half angle formulas, and for the simplification we have got this expression. And the same formula I have proved using the concept of sine rule and basic trigonometric concepts. Sine b minus c by b plus c, sine b minus sine c by sine b plus sine c, sine a plus sine b formula, sine a 2 sine a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Using the basic concepts, also have proved this formula. These basic concepts are from trigonometry, and this is from trigonometry, but I used these concepts in proving this formula. In this way, in mathematics, each and every concept is interlinked with other concept. That's why understanding each and every concept is a very important aspect, so that you can make mathematics easier. In next video, till this video we have discussed all the concepts only. In next video I am going to cover some simple questions, simple to harder questions. From next video I am going to discuss only questions until these concepts gets clear. Okay, until then, bye bye.